Mango Lassi or sweet mango yogurt smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the lassi recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mango lassi recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yogurt smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the mango recipes. We are going to make mango lassi or sweet mango coconut. We're going to make mango lassi or sweet mango yogurt smoothie. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of mango peeled and cut into pieces, 4 to 5 cardamom pieces, cardamom pods. Put in the mango pieces into the grinder. Put in the cardamom pods. Put in 3 spoons of sugar. Put in a pinch of salt. Close and grind well. Now the mango has been nicely ground. Now pour in the yogurt and curd. Around 200 ml to 250 ml. Close and grind well. Now the mango lassi has been nicely churned and ground. This can be poured into the glasses. Now pour in the lassi into the glasses. The final mango lassi or sweet mango yogurt smoothie. One of the tastiest of the breakfast smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the lassi recipes and one of the most delicious of the mango lassi recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mango recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yogurt recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.